Spill the tea. T-E-A.
Kemilambi.
So anyways, let's actually spill the tea. So this is Pablo Picasso. Yes, that Picasso. Cubism, Blue Period, Millions Auction, a certified art history legend.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Pero kung i-google mo siya as a person, medyo problematic. Picasso had a pattern. He got obsessed with women, made them his muse, then slowly, dinudurog sila emotionally. And you can actually see it sa mga paintings niya. Yung mga babae niya, wasak yung muka, baliko yung katawan, parang lagi silang uncomfortable. Hindi siya accident, hindi rin lang style. That's power, control, perspective. Literally. Cubism was revolutionary kasi sinisira niya yung idea na isang angle lang yung tama. Makikita mo yung mukha sa harap, sa likod, sabay-sabay. Pero actually, you'll notice two things here. Una, of course, yung technical brilliance niya. At pangalawa, yung fact na bilang tao, ang hirap niya ipaglaban.
6'7", I just bit right on the highway.
So, yes, genius siya, pero yung genius na may kasamang damage. And here's the thing. You can appreciate the art without pretending the artist was a good person. Hindi requirement ang pagiging santo para maging influential, pero hindi rin excuse ang pagiging influential para i-ignore ang harm.